Companies are under increasing global pressure to limit the consumption of source materials, reduce waste, and become more sustainable. Many Fortune 500 companies like PepsiCo, Mars, and Nestle are taking their responsibility for sustainable packaging very seriously. So they're transitioning toward 100% recyclable packaging by 2025. At PPi Technologies Group, we recognize the growing transition to recyclable, flexible packaging like monomaterial film. These are lighter and thinner than traditional multi-structure films, leading to less material used, lower cost, and are able to be collected and recycled through existing infrastructure. This is good for the environment and meets the goal of becoming more sustainable while saving money and resources, without compromising the quality and food safety of the pouch. These materials are, however, very challenging to run, with their thin structures, tendency to stretch under tension, and increased sensitivity to heat. The future-ready SN H-Series machine are engineered to use less components and operate more efficiently by using an open, hygienic design architecture. These machines offer the same reliability and high production while running these new eco-friendly monolayer materials. This process uses new patented, innovative features like continuous motion film feed and a special sealing process. This technology does not sacrifice the high-quality pouches that customers have come to expect and has the added benefit of saving the environment and lowering packaging costs. PPi Technologies Group is proud to build on our more than 2-decade partnership with SN Machinery Germany in offering this exclusive and cutting-edge expertise to our customers. Contact us today and find out how you could be making a difference to the environment and your bottom line. What are you doing to do your part?